How to design a simple RC airplane control horn in Fusion 360. First, create a sketch. Select the line drawing tool. Draw the side view of the control horn. Round the upper corner of the horn using a fillet. Draw auxiliary lines and use the offset tool to shift the lines. Trim the excess lines. Draw 2 mm holes for the push rod using the center diameter circle tool. Add the other holes by using the rectangular pattern tool. Prepare the sketch. Use the extrude tool to profile the horn. Round the edge reinforcement using the fillet tool. Now the sketch can be hidden. Finally, save the file. Thank you for watching. Even better things are yet to come.